Montgomery County is a great partner of ours. We've done several projects for them, and they're great to work with our team. Our team enjoys working with the county, so it's a great partnership.
For this project, what my duties tend to be is outreach for the community. So after we knew that there was a problem with the pipe, we came out and we actually met with the property managers for the neighboring communities so that we can repair them efficiently and with as minimal impact to their communities as possible.
The Montgomery County Department of Environmental Protection is responsible for inspecting and maintaining stormwater management infrastructure and has identified and prioritized the repair of several corrugated metal pipes, or CMPs. Throughout public works programs, these pipes are corroding as they reach or exceed their lifespans. To address this problem, the county uses a cost-effective repair technique called cured-in-place pipelining, or CIPP.
So what we're trying to do here is work with the county to help save costs so we don't have to perform what's called open cut excavation, where it would be probably several weeks if it was excavated out and replaced by itself.
This innovative approach provides an alternative to the more common construction technique of top-down replacement that requires excavation to remove and replace the pipe. This entails a large amount of disturbance and community disruption, particularly for pipes that are under roads.
The whole process, as you can see in the background, it's called a light train. It's a series of ultraviolet lights. Will then be pulled through the liner as it's inflated with air, and then that will cure the resin that is infused into the fiberglass wrap and create a continuous pipe. So I would say the overall impact, well, it's the environment and the community, is time. I mean, we're going to be in and out of here in one day.
The county has a triennial inspection program. That program inspects the stormwater management pond every 3 years. And during that inspection, we identified that this stormwater pond that has some holes on the bottom and several joints separated. So we identify this as a potential candidate to have pipe repair.
The county saved over $400,000 compared to conventional excavation. Since 2021, the combined work on 20 pipe repair projects using CIPP has saved over $7 million in countless hours.
This is one of the larger culverts that are coming through, which is why the lining is a great choice for this type of a project, especially this big. It's definitely the lowest impact option, and we're really proud of our work.